What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Hyundai Ioniq 5 open and started if the key fob dies. We're going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5 in this video. And in this scenario, the vehicle's locked and our key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now, if we take a look at the driver's door and we see the driver's door handle here, if you push in on the left-hand side, it'll swing it open like that. And then we can see there's a key cylinder in there. We're gonna use the emergency key to unlock that key cylinder. Once the door's unlocked, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw your emergency key back in your fob just so we don't lose it. Now, as soon as we open the door, the alarm's gonna start going off. How we're gonna stop the alarm from going off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're gonna start the vehicle with a dead key fob is we're gonna get in, press the brake like normal, but we're gonna use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. I'm gonna show all this to you. I'm just gonna be going kind of quickly and the alarm's gonna be going off. So get in, press the brake like normal, and then start it like that. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.